Each time you move, the experience is different. It depends on many things. Number one, where to? Moving next door is easy. To another city is challenging. To another continent? I have no words to describe this. I think I gained a couple of years in this process. Number two, kids. Having young kids also add to the challenges. Besides their toys and their clothing, they are human beings and with emotions, comfortable in their way of life. And now it's all about to change. Number three, valuables. When we moved from the north to the south of South Africa, our home content weighed 20 tons. This excludes vehicles, which, by the way, have their own challenges.
We sold the last of all the cars today. Empty parking. We're going to have to borrow a car to get through the next few days.
What do you keep and what do you get rid of is the big question.
Me and Aline have been dating from school. Check out our pencil case from back then.
Number four, the cost of moving. I can give you a breakdown of what it cost us, but there's so many unforeseen expenses. You can probably double or triple on what you plan for. Number five, planning. To move abroad, you need to have a well thought through plan. Steps on how and when things need to happen. On top of that, you need a backup plan. Maybe add another backup plan just in case. My advice to anyone, start packing early. You don't know how much stuff you have. Our plan was to filter through our valuables, get rid of all the unused and put the rest in storage. Great plan. Time flies when you're packing your house. You tell yourself you still have a few weeks left. When you wipe your eyes, you have a few days and suddenly a few hours. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. We are about 12 hours away from check-in. Still a lot to do, but we'll make it. We barely slept the last week.
It's 8 o'clock in the morning. Somebody's making boerewors. How inconsiderate.
During all of this, we had a few angels assisting us. Caroline was amazing at cleaning and packing. My cousin and her hubby looked after the kids. And in the last few hours, our neighbors came around and just helped packing and take stuff to the storage, which just helped us not to miss our flight. Number 6, the emotional side of it all. Moving abroad will really shake your world. You are giving up all you have and all you know, hoping for a better life. With so much unknown ahead, you have this constant voice in your head asking you if you are doing the right thing. To do this alone is easier, but when you bring your whole family, they depend on you. They sacrifice a lot for you. You hope they will like it, that they will fit in. And although you planned it 1,000,000 times, things will go wrong, something beyond your control. This is where you have to ask them to bear with you, support you no matter what, because in a way, that is all you can do. Each other is all you have. They motivate you to keep going, and this is the time you need to stand together as a family, making every moment a memorable one. Number 7, the departure. The flight was long, but went well. The kids loved the in-flight entertainment, and on final approach into Malta, Our 7-year-old son looked out of the aircraft window and shouted out loud, "There's a boat!" That was when you realize you are finally in Malta. Check out the next video. We were informed on arrival that we need to quarantine for 2 weeks.
Jij wil niet weten, nee. Kijk hier. Het is nacht, 5 uur klaar is. Nog zo'n paar uren.